Hi, this is Ketan Bhatia, the show director at India Runway Week Season 4 Summer Edition 2015. We are at the day 1 today.
I'm reading what I wrote about your words and how you sang to me.
The shows are all ready to sizzle. I'm doing 2 shows today, a solo designer show, the opening show for Jenjum Gadi, and then I'm doing a 3 designer show at 8 o'clock.
And all these memories surround me, pulling me back for more. I'm lightly fading in the background, laying upon your shore. Oh, you tore the towers down, stumbled through the room, broke the golden ball, saw you swimming in it. My eyes were wide as hell, saw the cancer throughout your entire show. Saw you swimming in it. You thought your arms were weak, thought my hand was cold, couldn't see it then. Saw you swimming in the flow.
Hi, this is Megha and Jigar, and we would really like to thank IIFD for giving us such a nice opportunity. Do watch our collection. The name of our collection is White Summer, and it depicts how soft and fragile our women are and how you should handle them with lots of love and care.
It's quite interesting. I mean, I really enjoyed it actually. Considering it's just a 4th season old, I mean the way they've done the arrangement, the way everything is functioning, it's very good actually. I wasn't really expecting this kind of coordination, this kind of professionalism.
Actually, this is our first time at this fashion week, but we are having fun. This is a nice place, like to meet new people, to try something new, and to indulge into fashion.
Hi, this is me, Mishti, and I'm doing Runway Week Season 4 this time as a stylist.
I think everyone did enjoy the show. That's the way they were congratulating that the collection was good. Model, the team, they were superb. Girls were very cooperative. They were wonderful. They carried themselves perfectly. Everything was good here.
It is always wonderful, from the first time I hit the ramp until the last I will, whenever. But then it is always wonderful when the lights are on you and the, center of the attraction. It is awesome.
I think it's really great. It's very fresh, and they're all young designers, and it's my first season with them as a stylist, as the official stylist. I think it's gonna grow more and to different states and different venues. So yeah, of course, I would like to.
In my collection, I have showcased spring summer florals, a lot of quirky prints, and the styling is very comfortable, ready to wear. You can just pick it from the rack and wear it. The colors are very bright and nice, and with a hint of white so that it looks fresh.
I started my studio last year back, and this time I got selected for India Runway Week. That was an achievement for me.
Hi, this is Ketan Bhatia again, one of the show directors at India Runway Week Season 4. Today we are on the day 2 and it has been a fabulous day so far.
Hi, I'm Neha Yadav of the brand Nia. So I'm a Delhi-based designer and I have my own apparel line. So we basically retail through South Extension. That's where our studio is. In this collection at the India Runway Week, it's titled Through My Eyes.
I just presented a show. It was titled Ye Dili Hai Meri Jaan. So the whole theme revolved around Indian and specifically Delhi weddings, or Delhi wedding experience.
And it's a fantastic experience for for me and my makeup team and hair team.
Hi, I'm Vanika and this is the first time I'm showcasing in IFFD and this was a great experience for me.
His collection is called Dreamweaver and you can see that his embroidery is just spectacular. I think that's the unique selling point of his brand, the fact that he does such unique embroidery, and it's a lot of hard work has gone into this. You can even see that, and even the back, it's just fantastic because it just looks like a tattoo, but it's really not. And I love his line. It's young, it's fresh, and I was more than happy to be a showstopper.
This collection is actually, we weave the clothes according to the girls what they want. It's more of diamantes what we have in this, and it's basically the colors what girls like. And what actually usually girls they love the colors, right? It's more of pinks, blues, and greens.
Cool models like Saga here, for example. He's
Gochitu.
Hi guys, I'm Rupa Khurana and this is day 2 in India Runway Week Summer Edition 2015. The best part is we are having so much fun. They are all friends, models around, designers, stylists, and full on मस्ती चल रही है यहाँ पे. Shoots हो रहे हैं, हमारे interviews हो रहे हैं.
Hello, how are you? Hi.
Alright, we are at the day 3. Last night was very hectic for us. We did a spectacular show for 2 designers.
Hey, good morning. This is the 3rd day of India Runway Fashion Week Season 4. And we are the backstage team, James, Pooja and Sania.
This has been my 3rd year of association, 3rd season rather. And I started with the summer edition, then we went to the winter edition, and again we're back to summer of 2015. Every year the designers are just doing a tremendous job. They're increasing in number. I've seen a lot of new designers coming up with a great collection.
See, what inspired me to come here, because the word itself is Bohemian Girl. Bohemian Girl itself depicts the women empowerment within, because she's not a conventional person. She does what she likes to do.
So the collection was inspired by, it was very Indo-Western, right? So I have taken the elements from the medieval India.
Of course, an amazing feeling because here you can see a lot of designers, a lot of new clothes, a lot of new models.
My experience has been always great. I'm doing India Runway Week 3rd season with them, and with time back to back, it's been improving. It's all about young designers, young creative platform.
My theme was Bazme Khatoon, which means Auraton ki Mehfil, and I was showing many colors in one Mehfil.
Hi, this is Rajdeep Ranawat for IFFD India Runway Week, and we basically wanted to showcase our Spring-Summer 2015 collection.
But I showcased my evening wear, party wear collection, and as it's like the summer is coming, so I started with like soft white and pink colors.
Nothing but our instincts, and I can feel you wanting more, and I grow weary of the things it all.
फर्स्ट टाइम मैं दिल्ली के अंदर रनवे पे चल रही हूँ एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी दैट ये तान्या के लिए है क्योंकि एक आउटफिट अगर पसंद हो ना एक्टर को या किसी भी शो स्टॉपर मॉडल को वो ऑटोमेटिकली ग्लो 3-4 टाइम्स हो जाती है.
So the India Runway Week is about passion, is about energy, and it's about fashion.
Hi, this was the 4th season of India Runway Week by Indian Federation for Fashion Development, and we had 35 designers from all over India participating in our show. So it was full of excitement and it went on great, and we are very happy with the results, and all the designers are really happy, and we are looking forward for the next edition in September, Winter Festive 2015, and this is a biannual property, so we'll be seeing you after every 6 months.